Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to use consumables in clubs mode. In the beginning, let's go to clubs and my pro. Select consumables, and here you can use consumables. For now I've got 2x AXP for 10 matches. To use it, hold X to apply. Also, I can unlock Archetype. You gain consumables by finishing objectives, winning matches, or buying them in the club's store. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.